I want my wife home. Here is home. She has a home here. I want her home with us.
Now, that was a plea for help when we last spoke with Austinite Christopher Busby, an American citizen and U.S. Army Black Hawk pilot, after his wife Stephanie Kenny Velasquez was detained by ICE in December. Well, last week, a federal judge ruled ICE violated her due process rights and ordered her release from detention. Thanks for joining us. I'm Daniel Marin.
And I'm Jennifer Sanders. Kenny Velasquez came to the United States in 2021 seeking asylum from Venezuela and was attending her required yearly ICE check-ins. But during a routine appointment in December, she was detained despite having no criminal history.
Our Kevin Bosker spoke with the couple today and explains the circumstances around her case.
Last week, you guys were reunited. Tell me what those moments were like.
Beautiful. You know, I think it was amazing to finally be able to see her and just know that like she's coming home.
After 4 months in detention and several court hearings, Stephanie Kenny Velasquez is finally back home in Austin. For her, the shock still lingers.
Life can change in just 1 second. So I just want my normal life back. That's it. I don't want like nothing special.
When Kenny Velasquez was first detained, KXAN reached out to the Department of Homeland Security. In a statement, DHS said she illegally entered the U.S. in 2021, adding that all her claims will be heard before an immigration judge and will receive full due process. Last week, a federal judge ruled ICE violated Kenny Velasquez's due process rights when immigration officers detained her last year. The judge ordered her release and barred ICE from re-detentioning her, unless it can be proven that she is a flight risk or a danger to the community.
From my perspective, this was her best option to be able to actually get out of detention.
Adrian Resendez is an immigration attorney. He is not involved in this case. He says he's seen more asylum seekers detained despite having no criminal history, forcing them to fight their cases from inside detention rather than in their communities.
The Department of Homeland Security and ICE's position changed under this administration, saying, actually, we can detain any of these people that have pending cases because we actually believe the law supports us and has this whole time. It was just under our discretion.
I agree that if you're a criminal and they don't want you in this country because you're a criminal, that's totally fine. But I don't think people, like, not everybody deserves to be there. In the most part, they're just like normal people. It was a hard time, but I know it's gonna be better.
And Kenny Velasquez is still seeking asylum. She has a hearing scheduled for next year. KXAN also reached back out to DHS for comments following her release. Now, for some depth, another recent ICE arrest sparked a legal case. A father is being held in the Tidon Hutto Detention Center after his recent arrest in San Marcos alongside his teenage son. We told you police said they were looking for a teen girl when they pulled over Geraldo Reyes and his son Esteban. They thought the missing girl may be in their truck. She was not. Still, police arrested and charged Reyes and his son for interfering with public duties after police say the two refused to exit their truck. You can see ICE's statement on this case on KXAN.com. Search San Marcos ICE arrest.